I'm going to show you exactly how to create a user manual in Canva using free templates that are simple, functional, and perfect for beginners. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your very own user manual ready to share or print. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Let's dive in. First, log into your Canva account and in the search bar, type in user manual. You'll see different template options. Pick one that matches your style and click customize template. Once you're inside the editor, start by customizing the contents. Add your product name and label on the cover page. Remember, when designing a user manual, keep it simple. It's meant to be functional and easy to read, not cluttered with too many design elements. Now add more pages by clicking the plus button. Go to the text tab and insert headings or body text for your instructions. If you'd like, you can also include illustrations or icons by heading to Elements and searching for graphics that match your content. Finally, when you're done designing, click Share and choose Download. If you're planning to share it digitally, select PDF Standard. If you're printing, choose PDF Print for the best quality. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You've just created your first user manual in Canva. Simple, functional, and beginner-friendly. If you'd like to learn more about Canva, don't miss our free 20-minute masterclass for beginners where we cover all the basics step by step. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.